Hello everyone, myself Boishaki. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will solve problem on work, energy and power of ICSE Class 10 Concise Physics. Section B, exercise number 18, which is very important. For other problem on same chapter, please see my previous video. The question is, a truck weighing 1000 kgf changes its speed from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour in 2 minutes. Calculate the work done by the engine and its power. So guys, how can we solve it? What is the formula for work done? Work done equals to force into displacement. So here force equals to 1000 kgf. Here given data is force equals to 1000 kgf. But here no data for displacement. Rather here are data for velocity. So final velocity, initial velocity equals to 36 km per hour equals to 36 into 5 by 18 10 meter per second, and final velocity equals to, that is 72 km per hour, that will be equals to 72 into 5 by 18 equals to 20 meter per second. So there are no data for displacement, right? Rather there are data for velocity. So guys, if this type of question appears in board exam where they ask to calculate work done but there are no direct data for either force or displacement, there is no data for force or displacement, then we will use work energy theorem. Work energy theorem. Right? By this theorem, work done equals to change in kinetic energy. That is the difference between final kinetic energy and initial kinetic energy. So it will be equals to half into m into Vf square, where Vf equals to final velocity, minus half into m into Vi square, where Vi equals to initial velocity. So that will be equals to half into m into Vf square minus Vi square. So from force we can calculate mass. We know the value of force, that from force we can calculate mass equals to, force is 1000 kgf. Therefore mass will be equals to 1000 kg. So it will be equals to half into 1000 into 20 square minus 10 square. It will be equals to half into 1000 into 400 minus 100 equals to 300. So that will be 150 equals to 150 into 1000. So that will be the value of work done, and which we calculate by work energy theorem, where work done equals to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Guys, again I repeat, we will apply this work energy theorem only when there are no data for force or displacement, right? Rather there are data for velocity. There will be no data for force or displacement. Only there are data for velocity, right? Second part is calculate its power. So we know power equals to work done by time taken. So work done equals to 150,000 joule divided by time taken equals to 2 minutes. So 2 into 60 seconds. So it will be equals to 3 to 5,000 to 2500 1250. That will be equals to 1250 watt. So this is the value for power. So thank you for watching. On next day I will come with another problem. Please wait, will come soon.